the carbon fibre modifications continue on the BMW. It's mirror caps. In theory, it should be easy. With many pry tools, we've made some progress, and in theory, it should just pop off.
And it's going to make some scary noises, guys. Don't worry, it's just the plastic clips. So you can see the 4 clips in here.
There's one at the bottom which we didn't know about.
Yeah. So
and there's a locating nubbin.
Yeah. So just work the pry tools around, you know, kind of work it all around, and then get the fingernails in there and pop it off. Installation should be easy.
In theory. Everything's in theory. So we have a locator pin, and these are the tabs that friction fit into. You want to have a shot right here, Lee? Because you can actually see. So these are the ones that the clips go into, and that's your locating pin.
Pop it on.
Alrighty, here we go. Fingers crossed. Just hit it.
Professionals at work.
Oh yeah.
You want some tape? Oh. It'll need a whack at some point. So it takes a minute to get all the pins lined up, but that's what they look like when they're on. They look quite nice, actually, again. And there is a little gap there, but there is the gap there with the OEM mirror, so don't worry too much about that. The mirror still folds up as it did when it was stock.
That's right.
I like carbon.
Many
Carbons. Stay tuned if you want to see a carbon fiber mirror cap get thrown in the bin.
Hey, achieved. Took what, 10 minutes tops?
Yeah, pretty easy, guys.
Really, really easy.
Nice upgrade.
Look at it. I think these are the M3 style mirrors.
Yes, with the little winglets.
Yeah.
And then there's more carbon coming. Somewhere.
No.
No? Badges? Are they carbon?
Badges, but it's not carbon.
Oh, sad. More modifications coming.
Thanks for watching, guys.